born with the spirit of seeing. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything. Don't skip any part of the video so that you will not miss an important step or information. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you come across this particular video. Today guys, we will be looking at how to make a lucky charm. Yes, I'm going to teach you a powerful lucky charm that you probably must have known of, or maybe you've never heard of before. Now, for those that grew up in the village, you will understand perfectly what I'm going to talk about later. It is hard for a trap to catch a rabbit. No matter what it is hard for you to get a trap to catch a rabbit. It is difficult. And no matter how enemy chase rabbits, he always come out victorious. Okay, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can use rabbit to make a lucky charm. All you need is not the full rabbit, is the foot of a rabbit. Being it left or right, any side we do. Okay, but me, most time I prefer using right because I believe right has more positive energy, but it has not been proven spiritually that the right side is better. But me, my spirit always love me to use right. Okay, any foot of a rabbit we do. You must have heard of the lucky foot of a rabbit. Okay, I'm going to teach you the mystery and the secret best way on how to prepare a rabbit food for good luck. All you need is a rabbit. You can get Benet Agric or whatever, get a rabbit. Okay, you can get it where they are selling chickens. You can go and ask, you definitely get a rabbit, even if it's a small one. And the good news is it is not expensive. It's something you can get very cheap. Okay, all right guys, after you have gotten a rabbit, okay, you can kill it, eat it, what you want to do, but after you've killed it, chop off one of the foot, whether right or left, chop it off. Okay, that's cut it off. After you have cut it off, then you keep it separately so that you can preserve it. Okay, the rest you can eat it if you like. But me, I always eat my own. But the meat is not that sweet though, but I do not mind eat my own. Okay, so you can eat the remaining one, then the food, then you keep it. After you have chop off that food, before the food dries, remember the blood will be coming out, right? Before the food dries, that's before the blood dries. All you are going to do is to get several seed of alligator pepper. That's several seed of alligator pepper. Okay, use something and push them, let it enter inside of the food. Let the alligator pepper several enter inside the food. Okay, put three and put it inside your mouth. So hold it, that place that the blood is coming out, hold it and face your mouth. Speak all you want and how you want the good luck to be for you. Yes, hold it, speak all you want and how you want the good luck to be for you. Okay, speak everything on it. That means after you have speak everything you want on it, that is, speak on that when the blood is coming out. Okay, don't forget, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, this is the CI channel. Welcome to the big family. Do well to hit that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss other important video from me. I wouldn't want you to miss other important video from me. And if you find this video helpful, hit that like button. Okay, or at least appreciate me. Anything you don't understand, any question, ask, and I will get back to you within 5 hours. And if you are interested in joining my WhatsApp group, do well to let me know in the comment section. I will add you for free. Okay, after you have speak all you want on it, you have put the seven seed, then you speak everything you want on the rabbit food. You speak everything you want now on the rabbit food. Okay, then preserve it. Yes, preserve it, and you can make an amulet with it. Like you can just get something like maybe you can just get something as like something like a leather, so sew it around and keep it in your purse or keep it in your wallet, or attach it to your purse or attach it to your wallet, or you can preserve the food. Okay, if you guys are interested in how to preserve the food, so that you can just make a key holder with it, you just join it, you'll be holding it like a form of a key holder with you. Okay, if you guys are interested, and I would let me know in the comment section. I will teach you how to preserve a rabbit food so that you can make a key holder with it, just like the one you are seeing on the screen. Just like the one you're seeing on the screen right now, how you can do it that way. So that is that. Once you've made this prayer on it, so the next thing, preserve it, let it dry. Okay, let it dry, because if you are going around with it, it might look odd and it might be smelly. So you can preserve it, dry it, not with fire on the sun. Okay, and if you want to preserve it, you can use alcohol, of which is another video on it, so which is going to take time. If you guys are interested on how to preserve it, let me know. I will get back to you in the comment section. Okay, yes, that is how to make a rabbit food for good luck. Another good news is that rabbit itself is a spirit animal that has good luck. The rabbit, the spirit, remember I made some previous video. I said each and every animal has its own spirit and what it represents in the spiritual realm. That's why sometimes some things will happen. They will say use this, use cock, use goat, use dog, use dog fowl, use chicken. You understand? So depending on the problem, the spiritual will tell you the spirit animal that is going to work on perfectly for you. Okay. So let me just give you a brief on this on the let me just give you brief on the let me say the story. How will I put? Okay, let me just brief you on the spirit of a rabbit. Yes, let me brief you on the spirit of a rabbit. All you need is just the blood of a rabbit. Like maybe you are the kind of person you don't normally get good luck and you always receive bad luck, or maybe you are going to a particular place and you want to receive good luck. Yes, use a rabbit, a male rabbit precisely. Okay, just hold the rabbit. Okay, make all your prayers, especially if you can get white color, is fine. Make all your intentions on it. That this place I'm going to, I want to receive good luck. I want this, I want that, I want that. Anything that has to do with good luck, pray on that rabbit. After you pray on the rabbit, slaughter it, let the blood come out. Yes, slaughter it and let the blood come out. So once the blood is out, it's done. You can go ahead and eat your rabbit. Or maybe you are the type of person that you normally bet a lot, you gamble, and you don't normally have good luck. Sacrifice a rabbit. Make all your prayers, all your attention, how you want everything to be on it. That will be given to you. So anything you want to do at all that has to do with good luck, like favor from anything, use rabbit. Okay, and this rabbit food I just taught you guys now is something that I know it works very well. Don't you try it and come back and tell me. I'm betting on this particular one I'm giving you now. Try this lucky food of a rabbit. Even if it's an accident, you are, as long as it is you, you always get luck. Even if that guy had an accident, it will not affect you. God will always save you. Even if a building collapse, as long as that your rabbit food is with you, it will not reach you. That's just it. Any bad place you are at all, many bad things happen. Even if they are shooting, as long as that rabbit foot is with you, you always get luck that where they are shooting will not be where you are going to run to. Any decide if they are shooting left, you run right. If you are shooting right, you run left. So it's a good spirit guide that always saves you from a lot of trouble. This rabbit foot, okay? If you can make it, believe me, it will help save you a lot of trouble, a lot. Most of all those animals you see, God created them. I believe most of them, some of their spirit that can be used for our own betterment. Just like the way God created crude oil and the rest that we use to get physicalities, we also can use most of all those animals to get our desire from the spiritual realm. Okay, okay, guys. Anything you don't understand, let me know, and see you guys in the next video. Love you all.